So this is day 3 and we're already checking out of the hotel. But the day is not over. We have a road trip down to Colorado Springs.
Just look at it, just look at it. Just turn and look at it. Look at it. Look how high it is.
Oh my Lord!
Just look. Look at it. Just look at it. You gotta observe its magnificence, its beauty. Just look at it. Take a look at it. Let's look at that. That's so neat.
And here we are. We just made it. You can see Pikes Peak. But we're gonna stop somewhere around here for I think it's called Garden of the Gods. We're like about 20 minutes away, so it should be, it's already getting cold actually. Right here, we have to go through.
Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6'4". Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your word, still that shit. You stop playing around, loosen the fuck up. There you go.
This is the balanced rock at Garden of the Mountains.
What?
Garden of the Garden of the Gods. I meant Garden of the Gods. And you have no idea how beautiful it looks. This camera does not make it justice. So that's it for the balanced rock. Now we head to close, but we found another entrance to it.
More than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are.
Where there's a will, there's a way. For us, this is the way. We found it. JD and Giselle went down another route. I found stairs. Can't believe I'm here. Oh, I could hear all the waterfall. There it is! There it is! Woo!
That's the part you always show. What's to your reality?
trick is to find a way down, and that kind of looks impossible. Maybe if I go through this little hole. Maybe not. I told you guys, where there's a will, there's a way. And I already found the way. I need to get my way down. I would not recommend anybody doing this. Whoa, there you are. I want to go inside, under it. This water is freezing cold, but I have to go in there. I have to go right there. Just that way.
Okay. Hold on, Kevin. I forgot I was recording. Go, 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 go! Kevin, go in the middle!
We did it. That's another check of the bucket list. Jeez, that climb up was tiring. Whew. Look what we just found. Woo.
Ready?
Come on. I thought you lightened up the way. So I think we just found Bigfoot's cave. It goes.
We're somewhere in Manitou
Whoa.
Springs.
That is deep. Hopefully it's not a bear's cave. Because we are. I think that's it. Keep going.
Oh, I thought I saw something moving. I was about to take off.
From within the darkness.
So I've decided to take an expedition alone. So you could barely see them over there. They're trying to take this trail all the way up there. Me on the other hand, I'm gonna take the easier trail. I'm still committed. Summit or bust. I have to. Even though our flight is in 5 hours. And I've been in this trial, barely hit 1 mile in 1 hour. So that means, look what I found! Yes! What? Let's go. What? Yes!
Let's say this is we made it about to right here. So if this is the 1 mile strip, vertical incline, I'll stop right here. And then right here, you have the access point to the trail, which is right here now.
I ain't doing it. It's a bust.
Fuck! I thought you were like about to be at the top.
No! Is telling me yes, and that's what's putting one foot on top of the other one, in front of the other one. If we keep going, oh my God! Finally, we're all together. So now we're headed back down. It took me an hour to get up here. I want to know how long it's gonna take me to get back down. Finally at the bottom. From all the way up there, I don't know if you guys can see it. Finally. It took a lot of heart, it took a lot of effort, but I made it.
You taste all the minerals.
One more, baby. No more.
So what it tastes like?
Alright, yes you can.
Let me try it.
It tastes like iron. It tastes exactly like iron.
I have no idea if this is good because it's all rusty. But the locals say it's good, and it. Let's see how it tastes like. Here goes nothing. Definitely tastes like iron. Woo! It has like a. It tastes bad, but it's supposed to be good for you. But yeah, that is pretty cool. Drinking water straight from the stream. Ah, 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 ah.